Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today we are going to start the new topic, that is dictionary. Okay, so just like a dictionary has words and their meaning, so a dictionary in a Python is a data structure which contains data in the form of pairs of keys and values. Okay, so a key and value pair forms an item in a dictionary, and the key is usually a string. So let me show you how to create a dictionary. So we have this dict1 variable for dictionary, and then here name colon John comma age 34 comma hobby dancing. Okay, so this is how you create a dictionary. And the items in a dictionary are separated by the help of comma. Note that the last item will not have the trailing comma. Okay, so there is no comma here, and the key and value are separated with this column. This is key, this is value. Okay, so items in a dictionary are enclosed within curly brackets. So dictionary 1 here, dict1 is our dictionary which contains 3 items. Okay, so name, so the key with name has the value John, and the key with age has the value 34. Similarly, the key with hubby has the value dancing. Okay, so this is how you create a dictionary. And in the next video, we will continue with this dictionary topic. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you for being with us.